It is freezing out here. Out on the lake this morning, it is 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Just looking for some eagles and some loons. Drinking some coffee. Yeah. This is fun. I'm shooting on my iPhone, so I don't know where to look, where the camera is. I think it's there. I don't know, there. Anyway, I'm trying to be quiet. So I found one of the eagles. It's about 150 yards up in a tree, perched. I'm gonna stealthily make my way a little closer. Don't want to bother it. I do want to get an image though. I'm gonna need some more coffee. Full winter gear. They're both in the nest now. I got a couple of shots. I'm quite a distance away. Where am I looking here? I don't know. I don't know how long this battery's gonna last. Yeah, they're just working on the nest. I can't feel these two fingers. I almost can't take pictures. I don't know where this finger is on the camera. Okay, I'm beached on these rocks here. I don't even know if you can hear me. I got no mic. First time filming with the iPhone. I forgot my GoPro. Anywho, I got some feeling back in my fingertips. I actually had a really cool sighting. An eagle flew by close with some branches, and I actually had to physically put my finger on the button to focus. But hopefully they came out. We will see. You will see. Anyway, there's one sitting in the nest and one flying up overhead, so I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit longer. And it's nice to have the fingers back. That's important. Anyways. Alrighty, I'm gonna pack it in for today. That was nice. I think I got a couple of images. I hope I do. I'm surprised I didn't see any loons today. The only loon is me. Anywho, yeah, I gotta go get some breakfast and warm up a bit. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye-bye.